Alright, so I thought I'd make this quick little video of how to replace a ashtray lid on a 4th gen Camaro. As you can see, this one's kind of messed up. I ordered a new one from Hawks Motorsports. I'll post a link in the description below. Tools you'll need are a 7 and 10 millimeter socket, along with obviously a ratchet and extension. Alright, let's get to it. So first thing you're going to want to do is to open up the center console. You're going to want to remove this coin holder right here. And as you can see, there's going to be two 7 millimeter bolts that you're going to want to remove. After you remove those two 7 millimeter bolts, you're going to want to put the car in neutral. Make sure parking brake is up. And then you're going to want to take off this shift knob. After you remove the shift knob, you're literally just going to want to pop it up and just pull forward. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Make sure you disconnect this light right here that goes to the ashtray. All you gotta do is just twist and pull. And you can literally just pop this off right here. There's also the connector right there to the cigarette lighter that you're gonna want to take off. Now we've removed that little center console piece, and now we can get to replacing the ashtray lid. You're gonna want to flip over the center console piece right here, and you're gonna want to remove this spring right here. So with the spring removed, you're gonna want to move this up, and you see those little tabs. There's gonna be two of them. This other side broke, which is why it's the way it is. So you're just gonna want to pop those, and it should come off. Alright, so here's the old tray lid. As you can see right here, the tab broke off, and this is my replacement. So Hawks Motorsports sells these right here. Honestly, only company that I enjoy buying from to get, replacement parts. Always looking OEM. I mean, you cannot even tell the difference with those. So then after, to put this on right here, you're just gonna want to slide this in right here, and like before, you're just gonna want to push these tabs right here, and they should fit into place. To put the spring back on, I find it easier to leave this tab open, put it in first like this, and then you're just gonna want to work your way into this little slit right there. Alright, so this is what it should look like with the spring back into place. Now it's time to put this little center console piece back into the car. So now we got a new functional ashtray lid, no longer loose, sturdy, fits well with the color of this whole piece right here. So like before, we removed this part right here. Now to put it back in, just remember to connect back the cigarette lighter and this little ashtray light back into the connectors, and then you're just going to want to clip it back in. Just be careful when putting this part back on. There's 4 plastic tabs, I believe, that you're just going to want to snug into place. You're going to then want to put back these two 7 millimeter bolts and this shift knob right here. Alright, so now everything's back in place, and here's our new ashtray lid. Really sturdy, like I said, OEM perfect, color matches up really well with the car. Couldn't be more happy. Alright, so I hope you guys found the video to be useful. Just please be sure to subscribe, be sure to like the video, and just give me some ideas on what you guys think I should do on the Camaro. I mean, I have a future plan for it. I got a FBO and a turbo build in mind. But yeah, so hopefully I can start to make a little bit more videos based off of the 4th gen you guys can find to be useful. Thank you guys.